Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic online marketing tools, web form. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So web form. With the CRM form designer at your disposal, you can easily create effective lead capture form from website and store and start adding new leads to your Bitrix24 CRM in no time. You have to click on the add-ons option in the CRM section, and here you can see the CRM form. Just click on the CRM form, and here you have to just click on the add option. After clicking on the add option, your CRM form is now open, and here you can add your fields according to your requirements. Here you can add the field in the for the lead part, the contact part, company part, lead deal part, or many more. The CRM entities, you can mention the lead, customer, deal plus customer, estimate plus customer, invoice, or smart process automation. In the other settings, you can mention the form name and the responsible person. In the header and button option, you can name the header block, or you can name the button as well. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.